Patuloy ang paghahanda ng Talk and Text Tropang Texters para sa darating na All-Filipino Conference ng PBA na magbubukas sa October 3. Wala mang nahugot na rookie sa nakaraang PBA draft, nakuha naman ng Tropang Texters ang serbisyo ni Larry Fonacier at Rich Alvarez. Balik din sa lineup ang big man na si Ali Peak. Nalipat naman sa Meralco ang top scorer na si Mark Cardona, samantalang matatagalan pa ang pagbabalik ng injured na si Ranedel de Ocampo.
The players are going to start the tournament in top shape right away because it's going to be a short tournament, so we cannot afford to start slow. We gotta start strong. So our plan is by October 3, we're going to be near 100%. So yun ang pinaka-importante. We're just going to try and get better at the things that we do well and then make sure that what happened before doesn't happen again.
Sa darating na Asian Games sa Nobyembre, ipapahiram ng koponan ng forward na si Kelly Williams sa Smart Gilas national team. Magsisilbi ding assistant coach si Chot Reyes kay Serbian mentor Rajko Toroman.
But I'm very confident in the ability of my assistants to handle the team and also in the players themselves. I think we're building it to a level where even without me or even without Kelly, the team should be able to do well. Admittedly, mahihirapan sila. That's just going to be part of the challenges that we face in this tournament.
Masaya naman ang Texters prolific guard energizer na si Ryan Reyes dahil injury-free na siya at totally adjusted na sa sistema ng Talk and Text.
Ryan, what are your preparations for the next upcoming PBA season?
As of right now, we've just been practicing, conditioning-wise, getting back in shape from, the long vacation and off-season that we had. We're, running our plays, getting, the chemistry together with the team. Like Coach said, it's going to be a big challenge during the season when we don't have some of our players, especially Ranedel not being there and then Kelly going to be gone for a while for the Asian Games. It gives us a big challenge in our end to produce the numbers, produce the points, assists, and our energy that we bring to the table. We just got to play hard and,
Rampy para sa UNTV News Worldwide at ito ang balita.